Hello again. Once again, today we're reading books from our yellow bin, which means our yellow readers can read any book from this bin by doing 3 different things. The first thing is remembering the pattern of the words. So every single book has a pattern, which means, so if you don't know what a pattern means, it means the words repeat themselves on every page. So all you have to do is remember that and then try to figure out the new word by looking at the picture. The second skill is what we call tracking. That's when you touch the words. So you use your reading finger to touch the words. And we jump over the spaces in between the words in order to read those. This text is a book that's going to teach you about big animals in the sea. That's our title, Big Animals in the Sea. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words on this title page, on this cover. And we know that because there's spaces in between the words. This is written by Joe Windsor. He wrote the words in this book. He's our author. And then somebody else took the photographs because these are real live photos. This is our title page, which again has the title, and it has our wonderful author, Joe Windsor, and the publishing company. Big Animals in the Sea, written by Joe Windsor. Read along with me. So what I want you to do is listen the first time, then go back and watch the video again, and touch the words as we read. You can pause each page in order to practice this skill. This dolphin is big. This shark is big. That's when you can pause the video when I hold the pages close. This octopus is big. This stingray is big. And for our friends who are getting ready for 3Y, if you know our words are this is big and the word in there is the new word, if you don't know the word, you can look at the picture. But if you don't know what a stingray is, you can look at that first letter of that new challenging word and say the sound it makes. You might even be able to sound out some of the other letters. This eel is big. This whale is big. So I hope you're touching the words with me. And again, if you didn't know that word, look at the picture and the W says ooh. And these are all the big animals in the sea. I hope you also learned some new animals. So go ahead, re-watch this video. And the next time you read with me, you'll be ready to track the print, also known as touching the words when we read, and you'll get your 2Y points. Moving on to 3Y. Have a good day.